Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Quickly in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks that will enable you use ChatGPT to write articles that sounds more like humans than AI. With the rise in AI writing detectors, it is quite very hard to actually see some content that comes out as written by humans. AI writes with a particular pattern, especially ChatGPT. For example, the excessive use of transition words like additionally, in summary, in conclusions, excessive use of longer sentences. These things makes it easier for these AI detectors to detect that your content was written by an AI. So I'm going to be sharing with you 10 practical tips to make your content sound more like humans with emotion and style. Number one, you have to use conversational language. So in your prompt, you have to tell AI to write this thing as if they are discussing with a real person. You have to actually ask AI to avoid sounding robotic, and you an as a prompt engineer also have to avoid using robotic commands like write a blog post on so topic. No, you have to make it more mature. Infuse emotions, emotive words like happiness, excitement, curiosity. You have to infuse it in your prompts. This will guide the AI to give you a better output. The more elaborate and concise your AI prompt is, the more better output you receive. Provide context. This is very important. You want to write like a particular person, give AI something to look up to. Give AI background information. It could be in form of text. Ask AI, using this text, write this article, make it sound like this. Ask open-ended questions in your prompt. Always do this. It makes your output more human-like than AI generated. Now, this is what you like to use in your articles because humans use them a lot. Use contractions like you, there. This will help you sound more conversational, more formal, like you're chatting with a real person. Add humor. Yes, inject some form of comic relief in your articles. AI can do all this. Now, one more thing, the most important that I think AI detectors use in finding some patterns in AI content are the sentence lengths and structure. AI can generate longer sentences, longer paragraph. You can ask GPT to vary your sentence length. You can ask it to stick to a particular sentence length in a paragraph. For example, do not exceed three sentences in a paragraph. Ensure that your sentences do not exceed 5 words or 7 words. So these are, you have to be very explicit with your prompts. You don't just say write for me this. No, you say write for me this using 3 sentences, using 100 words. You have to give it numbers. AI loves numbers. Tell it what you want it to do for you, right? Use descriptive and expressive languages. Express yourself. Okay, do not sound robotic. This is why you need to look for and engage in courses that talks about prompt engineering. This way you learn how to actually write good prompts that will enable you bring out good AI copies that bypasses AI detectors. I hope you were able to learn something today. Don't fail to give us a thumb up. Don't fail to subscribe and share our contents. Thank you and remain blessed.